Hey guys, Ria here from Crysendo, and today we are going to talk about EARPADS buying guide. If you wish to give your headphones a new look and feel, you are at the right place. Many of you must be having this question, why to replace EARPADS? So I have a few set of reasons for you. Firstly, because new earpads are more comfortable, like you can see here. Then they are more hygienic, unlike this earpad full of dirt and sweat. If you compare the prices of new headphones with a set of new earpads, you will get to know that it's always more convenient to buy new earpads instead of thinking to get a whole new headset whenever your earpad is damaged or worn out. Now, let's have a look through our website, that is www.crysendo.com. We have a variety of electronic and smartphone accessories, of which headphone cushions or earpads are a major part. We have many earpad materials to choose from. Protein leather is soft and durable but may be uncomfortable for people who sweat a lot. PU leather is a reasonable choice that provides a good seal and great noise prevention. Dog leather provides a great grip and will allow you to enjoy your tunes more securely. Sheepskin leather is lightweight and elastic but tends to stretch out over time. If comfort ranks at the top of your priority list, then velvet is the best for you. Breathable fabric works well in dry environments but may hold moisture for a longer time. Earpads can be classified into two main types. The first one being generic, which fit most headphones because they don't require any specific installation technique. And the second type is model specific, which only fit the models that they are specially made for. We post our products with installation images to help people know how to install a particular earpad. Also, there are installation videos available on our website as well as our YouTube channel. Every order that we send across comes with a QR code that can be scanned, and it will direct you towards the installation guide page on our website. Following are the best selling brands that we have. We hope this video was helpful for you in some or the other way, and thanks for watching.